Thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. Today we're going to be working under the hood. I do have a K&N drop-in filter for this car, so we're going to be doing the charcoal filter delete, and we're going to put the K&N filter in. Over here on the bench, we got the K&N filter. Part number is 335064. This is the same part number they have listed on SubiSpeed's site. I think it's 50 or 60 bucks on there. I got this off Facebook Marketplace, $18. I think it was like $3 shipped, so literally like 21 bucks to the door, so couldn't say no to that. It's also been cleaned, so there is no really oil on it, so it's kind of like a dry flow, but yeah, there's no oil on it. So I'm actually going to take the airbox off on the car just so we can get a better look at it for everyone. Just got one little clamp here. Pop these out, and then we'll just unplug the MAF, and everything should just come right out. So let me get you set up, and we'll get this taken off. Just so you guys can see everything, you do not need to take this off to do this completely. So let's go. All right, back on the bench, you can see we got the whole thing off. You can see the opening there where the MAF is. And then this is our charcoal filter. So let's work on getting this thing peeled off. And let's go from there. So there we have it. The charcoal filter is removed. It actually was a little bit harder than I expected just to pry it off. I did have these little pick tools that I got at Harbor Freight. Just got like behind it and then just like kind of like scraped it. And once I could get my finger behind, I was able to just like pull it off and then just clean it up a little bit. But it actually is pretty thick. I mean, I don't know how the car is breathing too well with that. But now we got our new filter, so let's get the paper filter taken off. Back at the car, you can still see the filter is right here. So let's just take that out, put it right there. And we'll slide this one in. Oh, wrong way. There we go, perfect fit. So let's get it bolted back together. We'll get this hose put back in and the mass airflow plugged in. So let me get you set up and we'll be wrapped up with this quick install. And there we have it. Everything's all put back together. Was a little tricky getting this hose back on, so I would recommend putting the box on, then clipping it together, plug in the MAF, and then with this like stationary, you can just like slip this on and then just tighten that up. Well, that's all I got for you guys on this one today. I know it was a quick one and we just got that K&N filter put in, plus that charcoal filter delete. So other than that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. We have more videos coming out, and when more parts come out, we're buying some more stuff. So have a good day. Let's get it.